Dear students, in today's assignment, we discuss some problems based on magnetic moment caused by rotating charge. Question number 1. An electron of charge E revolves round in an orbit of radius r with a uniform angular velocity omega. The magnetic dipole moment of the electron in the orbit is. So here magnetic moment is equal to actually NIA, but N is equal to 1. So I into A. I is current and A is area of the orbit. So I is nothing but again Q by T. Area is pi r square. T can be written as 2 pi by omega. By that you will get M is equal to E omega r square by 2. Option 2 is correct. Question number 2. A proton and a deuteron are projected with same speeds normal to a uniform magnetic field. Which of the following statements is or true? See here, for a proton charge is E, mass is m. For a deuteron charge is E, mass is 2m. For time period the expression is 2 pi m by bq. So T1 by T2 is equal to m by 2m E by E. You will get 1 by 2. A is correct. Angular momentum is equal to mv whole square by pq. So L1 by L2 equal to ratio of momenta whole square by ratio of charges. So it is equal to 1 by 4. Then option B is correct. R is equal to mv by bq. R1 by R2 is equal to m by 2m E by E. 1 by 2. So statement C is also correct. So in options, option 4 is correct because it is given that all are correct in fourth option. So fourth option is correct. Question number 3. If an electron is revolving in a circular orbit of radius 0.5 angstrom with a velocity of 2.2 into 10 power 6 meter per second, the magnetic dipole moment of the revolving electron is. So magnetic moment is equal to EVR by 2. M is equal to charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, velocity 2.2 into 10 power 6, radius 0.5 into 10 power minus 10 meter by 2. After calculation you will get M is equal to 8.8 into 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square. Option 1 is correct. Question number 4. Magnetic induction at the center of a circular loop of area pi square meter is 0.1 Tesla. The magnetic moment of the loop is. So at the center B is equal to mu naught I by 2R. 0.1 equal to mu naught I by 2R. From that you will get I as 0.1 into 2R by mu naught. And area pi r square is given as pi. Therefore R is equal to 1 meter. Magnetic moment M is equal to I into A, I into pi. For I you can write 0.1 2R by mu naught. And substituting the values you will get M is equal to 0.2 pi by mu naught. Option 2 is correct. Question number 5. A charge E moves round a circle of radius r with a uniform speed v. The magnitude of the magnetic induction at the center of the circle is. So here current I is equal to EV by 2 pi r. B at the center is mu naught I by 2r. So for I you can substitute EV by 2 pi r. So B is equal to mu naught EV by 4 pi r square. Option 2 is correct. Question number 6. An electron of charge E moves in a circular orbit of radius r round a nucleus. The magnetic field due to orbit motion of the electron at the site of the nucleus is B. The angular velocity omega of the electron is. See here B is equal to mu naught I by 2r. I is equal to EV by 2 pi r. So you will get mu naught E. For V you can write r omega. One r gets cancelled. Then omega will be 4 pi r B by mu naught E. So option 3 is correct. Question number 7. A particle of charge q and mass m moves in a circular orbit of radius r with angular speed omega. The ratio of the magnitudes of its magnetic moment to that of its angular momentum depends on. See here, magnetic moment M is equal to EVR by 2. Angular momentum is MVR. Divide it. M by L is equal to, you will get EVR by 2 into MVR. So after cancelling this V and R, you will get E by 2M. Therefore, magnetic moment is equal to EL by 2M, where L is angular momentum. Option 3 is correct. Question number 8. If the angular momentum of an electron revolving in a circular orbit is L, then its magnetic moment is. See here, angular momentum L is equal to mvr, so Vr is equal to L by m. Magnetic moment M is equal to EVR by 2. So for Vr you can write L by m. So you will get M is equal to EL by 2m. Option 3 is correct. Question number 9. Singly ionized helium X, ionized deuterium Y, alpha Z. Particles are projected into a uniform magnetic field 3 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla with velocities 10 power 5 meter per second, 0.4 into 10 power 4 meter per second and 2 into 10 cube meter per second respectively. The correct relation between the ratio of the angular momentum and the magnetic moment of the particles is. See here for X helium plus charge is E, mass is 4m. For Y deuterium charge is E, mass is 2m. For helium 2 plus charge is 2e, mass is 4m. L by m is equal to 2m by q. So 2 into mass by charge, 2 into mass by charge, 2 into mass by charge. Then you will get x greater than y is equal to z. Option 1 is correct. Question number 10. A conducting ring of radius r having charge q is rotating with angular velocity omega about its axis. Find the magnetic field at the center of the ring. See here B is equal to mu naught I by 2r, but I is equal to q by t, where t is time period, which can be written as 2 pi by omega. Therefore you get B is equal to mu naught q omega by 4 pi r, and option 1 is correct. Question number 11. A flat non-conducting disc of radius capital R carries an excess charge on its surface. The surface charge density is sigma. The disc rotates about an axis perpendicular to its plane, passing through the center with an angular velocity omega. Find the torque on the disc if it is placed in a uniform magnetic field B directed perpendicular to the rotation axis. See here magnetic moment M is equal to, at the axis it is 0, at the end it is Ia by 2. So you have to take the average value. By integration also you will get that average only. So it is a simple method. So half I is equal to q by capital T. Capital T is nothing but 2 pi by omega. Area is pi r square. So M is equal to 1 by 4 q omega r square. So Q is equal to sigma A. Sigma into pi r square. Substitute here. You will get M is equal to 1 by 4 sigma pi r square omega r square, by which you will get M is equal to 1 by 4 sigma omega pi r power 4. Option 1 is correct. Question number 12. A flat disc of radius capital R charged uniformly on its surface at a surface charge density sigma. About its central axis of rotation, it rotates at an angular speed omega. Find the magnetic moment of the disc due to rotation of charge. See here, dI is equal to dq by capital T, nothing but 2 pi by omega. You will get dq omega by 2 pi. dm equal to di into area pi x square. You can see this diagram. Area of the strip of thickness dx is nothing but 2 pi x dx. So limits are 0 to r. So here dq omega pi x square by 2 pi, pi gets cancelled. So dm is equal to, for dq you can write sigma into 2 pi x dx, omega x square by 2, 2 gets cancelled here. So m, by integrating 0 to r you will get total magnetic moment sigma pi omega into integral x cube dx, under the limit 0 to r you will get x square by x power 4 by 4, nothing but r power 4 by 4. So m is equal to 1 by 4 sigma pi omega r power 4. Option 3 is correct. Question number 13. A rod has a total charge Q uniformly distributed along its length L. If the rod rotates with angular velocity omega about its end, find its magnetic moment. This is the uniform rod containing the charge capital Q. Lambda equal to q by L, that equal to dq by dx, dq equal to q by L dx. Now di is nothing but dq by capital T, nothing but 2 pi by omega. You will get dq into omega by 2 pi. So di is equal to q by L omega by 2 pi dx. So total magnetic moment is nothing but integral 0 to L dm. dm is nothing but di into a. di is q by L omega by 2 pi into dx. a means pi x square. So after integration you will get x cube by 3. Apply the limits from 0 to L. Then you will get m is equal to q omega by 6l into l cube. Nothing but q omega l square by 6. Option 1 is correct. Question number 14. A solid sphere of radius r, uniformly charged with a charge q, is rotating about its central axis at angular speed omega. Find the magnetic moment of this rotating sphere. Magnetic moment by angular momentum is equal to q by 2 m dash. Here m dash is taken as mass. So m by L equal to I omega, I is nothing but 2 by 5 m dash r square for a solid sphere, and into omega is equal to q by 2 m dash. 2 and m dash will get cancelled, you will get m is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 5 q r square omega. Magnetic moment m is equal to 1 by 5 q r square omega. Option 4 is correct. Question number 15. Consider a hypothetical spherical body. The body is cut into two parts about the diameter. One of the hemispherical portion has mass distribution m, while the other portion has identical charge distribution q. The body is rotated about the axis with constant angular speed omega. Then the ratio of magnetic moment to angular momentum is. So in this case also, ratio of magnetic moment to the angular momentum remains constant, and which is equal to q by 2m, because q is charge distribution in the sphere and m is mass distribution in the sphere, and omega is nothing but angular velocity about its axis. So m by l is equal to q by 2m. Option 1 is correct.